is Tessa Pongliacek. I'm the founder and CEO of Thinking Diversity CIC, a social enterprise based in Newport, South Wales. Our mission is to break down barriers and to change the way things are done so that neurodiversity is recognised and valued as another form of diversity in the same way that gender and race are. We specialise in customer experience and help organisations to be inclusive and accessible. We do this through staff training, mentoring, leadership development and consultancy. We also offer business support services including co-production research, coaching programmes and communications and media to empower your neurodivergent clients. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy and inclusive New Year.